G'day everyone, this is a quick sound demo of the Do-It-Yourself Guitar Pedals Vulcan Drive, which is a Distortion Plus DOD 250 and Ross Distortion PCB. You can build any one of those three, or you can sort of interchange between the three as well. I've gone for the Distortion Plus with 3 germanium diodes and a 30 picofarad ceramic capacitor. I found the 30 picofarad ceramic capacitor knocked a little bit of the treble off, which I found kind of rounded out the sound a bit, which I really like. It's probably the best Distortion Plus I've built so far. Probably attributed to that capacitor, or perhaps the IC is different. It's a dual op amp in this one, as I explained in the build report, which might attribute to the final sound, but yeah, it sounds quite good in my opinion. As I mentioned in the build report, LED doesn't work, which is over there, as you can see. It doesn't work, but you'll know when it's on because you'll hear it. And also the drive control, which is the one on the right, is backwards. To the left is max and to the right is minimum, but don't worry, on the final PCB that will be corrected. So let's get into the sound demo. Pretty sure I covered everything there. So yeah, let's hear the sound demo now.